These videos are created as a supplement for Hyundai service and repair procedures. They are not intended to replace any previously published information. Hyundai WTC has noticed that some Genesis G80 and G90 outside rearview mirrors are being replaced due to becoming loose at the base mount point. This video will show how to tighten the mirror mount to avoid unnecessary replacement of the entire mirror assembly in those cases where it is applicable. With the mirror removed from the vehicle, remove the mounting hardware cover on the bottom of the mirror assembly. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws holding the mirror body to the base. Apply thread lock to the screws. Reinstall screws and secure the mirror body to the base. Reinstall the mounting hardware cover and reinstall the mirror assembly on the vehicle. This same procedure applies to vehicles with the lane departure warning system. Even though the assembly is slightly different, the mounting hardware is essentially the same.